Ever pondered the tantalizing blend of matcha and honey? This delightfully sweet and refreshing duo not only invigorates the senses, but also comes packed with numerous health benefits. Let's begin with matcha. Originating from Japan, this vibrant green tea powder is revered for its high content of antioxidants, especially EGCG. EGCG is an impressive compound that supports metabolism, aiding in maintaining a healthy weight. Then we have honey, a natural sweetener that's been cherished since ancient times. Honey is a powerhouse of antioxidants, boasting antibacterial and anti-inflammatory properties, making it an excellent addition to your diet. But the magic of matcha and honey truly shines when it comes to boosting energy and focus. Matcha naturally contains caffeine and L-theanine. The caffeine provides a gentle, sustained energy boost, while L-theanine promotes focus and calm, a perfect balance indeed. Honey, on the other hand, lends a natural sweetness and additional energy, making this combination a potent, yet balanced energy booster. Now let's explore a simple and nourishing recipe to kickstart your day. The Energizing Matcha and Honey Drink. You'll need 1 teaspoon of matcha powder, 1 cup of hot water, and 1 tablespoon of honey. Optionally, add milk to taste. Start by dissolving the matcha. Blend the matcha powder and hot water in a bowl until thoroughly mixed. Next, add the honey, stirring until fully combined. If you'd like a creamier texture, feel free to add milk. You can serve this drink hot or over ice for a cooling treat. This invigorating matcha and honey drink is a fantastic addition to your morning routine. It's a natural, nutrient-dense beverage that provides a steady stream of energy, perfect to keep you going throughout the day. So, have you tried the combination of matcha and honey yet? Perhaps you have your own favorite ways to utilize these ingredients? We'd love to hear about your experiences and ideas. For more healthful cooking inspiration and delightful recipes, subscribe to our channel, share this video, and join our vibrant community. Until next time, here's to your health.